Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're comparing three heavyweights in note-taking: Evernote, Goodnotes, and Notability. So which one's best in 2025? We'll break down the pros, cons, and key features to help you decide. Let's jump in. So Evernote's a veteran, great for typed notes and web clipping with over 225 million users. Goodnotes turns your iPad into a digital notebook, excelling at handwritten notes. Notability, also Apple-focused, mixes handwriting, typing, and audio recording. Evernotes at evernote.com, Goodnotes at goodnotes.com, and Notability at notability.com, all legit, but built for different needs. So now let us talk about the pros. Evernote shines with cross-platform sync, searchable PDFs, and organization. Goodnotes offers top-notch handwriting tools, templates, and smooth UI. Notability's got audio sync to notes, a clean design, and flexibility, a student favorite. Each brings something strong to the table. Now, let us talk about the cons. So Evernote's pricey premium tiers and weak handwriting support holds its back. Goodnotes sticks mostly to iOS, Windows, and Android, not fully universal, and Notability is Apple only too, and its folder system's basics. No one's perfect here. So, which wins? Evernote's best for text and multi-device users, Goodnotes is king for iPad handwriting, and Notability suits audio lovers and Apple fans. Pick what fits your style, give them a shot. Which one do you use? Drop it below, like and subscribe for more.